What's up, it's your girl Reese, and welcome back to my space. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, thank you for rocking with me for another week. Today we are getting into part 3 of all the new things I've bought. I have slowed down my shopping, at least until my birthday, honestly, because it's just accumulating and I'm not going anywhere. But most of these things have come in a timely manner, sort of, kind of, since I think now shipping is getting better now that COVID is kind of a part of our lives and everyone's used to it. So anyways, let's hop right into it. So first and foremost is my H&M package, which isn't big because I bought some H&M home stuff, but this is just the fashion stuff. This did take 100 years to get to me though. This literally, I think, took 5 weeks to get to me. Thank you, H&M. But worth the wait. So the first piece is this mini skirt. It is just too cute. I posted it on my Instagram the other day. It has this like waterfall detailing on the side. It doesn't even look like H&M. It looks expensive. I'm obsessed with it. Honestly, love minis. I actually bought this in a size 6 and it's a little bit too big on me, so I have to get it taken in, and I think my tailor is actually open again. So I will definitely get this fixed in time for being allowed out though, because this is a damn look. I paired this with a thrifted men's button down white shirt, and I left it all open so it's sexy, and I rolled up the sleeves so it's such a like rooftop patio look. And so I will have this taken in and fitting me by the time we are allowed out to do those type of things, because this look needs to be shared with the world. You're like, I'm obsessed. Anyways, next up is this beautiful dress. I'm not a big dress gal except for in the summertime. Anyways, this is like a stunning cream colored dress in like a sweater material. It's cotton and it has these holes throughout the whole dress. It's beautiful. Sleeveless. It looks so chic on. I think this is like definitely a look you can pair with a big hat, and it looks like that pass me some champagne, or welcome to the boat, like going on a yacht, and give me some champagne in my big hat. It looks expensive, and you know, girl, that's always the goal. It does not look like H&M. I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to wear it outside. Like I did say though, H&M took 5 weeks to ship this to me, so I'm not sure if these pieces are sold out, but I will look for the links and post them below for you guys. Okay, next up is my Zara order, which was very small. You guys may have seen this before. I actually wore it in a previous video, but I got this cord set, like this athleisure coordinate set, in this muted green color, and the sleeves go like right under my elbow, I think, or maybe right above my elbow, and it's also in this like sweatery material. And I think this is just perfect for dressing down and dressing up. So dressing down, you can wear them with slides or sandals or sneakers. And dressing up, I can wear them with like my Bottega heels, which is what I think would make it look super cute, and like a nice bag. So yeah, it comes, or there, I got the pants too. They have this good waistband, and then they also have pockets, which is so important. Pockets. Always gotta have some pockets. Up next is my Mango order. Actually, I'm wearing it right now. So I got this ring from Mango from their gold collection. So this is like 14 karat plated gold, and Mango was having a sale, so it was 25% off, I think, regular price. And I got this ring, which I love. I have a lot of their gold collection, like these earrings, but this is still on the website, so I think it's a great buy. It's like a good price point. I think it was $70 plus the 25% off. So yeah, great buy. I like it. I love it. I feel like I should get a second one to wear it like stacked. We'll see. On to my next Mango purchase are these slides. I think they're so neat. Zara calls these my Jesus shoes. They're really big, chunky. I think that's so in right now. And the braid is really cute. I just think they're the cutest. I've worn this with a like black maxi dress. I actually think this would look so cute with the cord set that I was wearing. That's a look. Yeah, that is a look. You can't go wrong. It's black sandals. They're chunky though, so I'm not sure if they'll stay in style through the years. But whatever, you don't always have to be on trend. Okay, that's it for my Mango order. Next up I'll continue with shoes actually. So I bought these from Holt Renfrew. I really wanted them last year and they didn't go on sale. So last year I bought another pair from the brand and I'm obsessed. They're white lace ups that I got. This is the brand is I'm gonna butcher this. Reichman? I don't know. I think it's Korean, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I have now 3 pairs of shoes from them. They're like a contemporary designer brand. Great quality stuff. One I bought last year, still doing great, and it's a white color leather shoe. And then my first pair from them I bought 2 years ago and still doing great. So I'm excited about these. I saw everybody had these last year, and like I said, they didn't go on sale enough, and I was buying so much stuff, so I was like, you know what, let's wait for a sale. Then they sold out. But these are them. They are so cute. A strappy sandal, and strappy sandals are a must during the summertime, and they have like this suede bottom, which is gonna suck. I feel like it's gonna imprint my toes. It already has, and I haven't worn them outside, but whatever, it is what it is. I think these would look so cute casual or dressed up. Like these would give a pop to your like very casual denim and plain top look, like black top, denim, throw on a blazer or leather or something. These would like make it cool. Like these are a cool shoe, I think. But yeah, I'm excited about these. These are true to size. So I bought these in a 38. I think the other ones I have in a 38 and a half and a 39. But if you are looking into the brand, I know a couple people have asked me before, they're true to size. So yeah, very excited to wear them. So last on my list of new things is my order from Essence. So I was so unsure. I normally never buy sunglasses online because I have look at my head. It is huge. I have a huge head and like the shape is squarish. I don't know. So I have to try on sunglasses, but these were on sale and I love the brand JACQUEMUS. You guys know I love it. So I bought them and these took so long to get to me too. And then Melissa's Wardrobe, I don't know if you guys follow her, but follow her on Instagram. She posted that she got them and I was like, oh, perfect. And it looked great on her, but her head is very different shape than mine. So when I got them, I was like, oh, I really hope they look so nice on, because they didn't have photos of the model wearing them. But these are my new sunnies, my JACQUEMUS new sunnies, and they're so cute. This is so chic in the tortoise color, and this is me and them, girl. I mean, my head still looks huge, but you know, it's not bad. So they're definitely a keeper. Also, they were on sale. Sale season just wrecks my life. I can't stop spending money. All right, and last but not least, in the things I've bought, where I'm doing a comprehensive review of this bag, but it's a little mini bag from JACQUEMUS that I got on Essence on sale, and it's my little white Le Chiquito. Okay, focus. So cute. It comes with a strap, but I'm gonna do a full review on this soon. But I just think perfect for summer. Actually, we'll go with literally everything I got here. Yeah, all of these pieces you can wear together, which is amazing. Okay, so that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked some of these pieces. Like I said, I'll try to link everything below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.